Alright, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bridge Tutor, where we solve technical drawing problems. And here is another question that I want you to see how you can solve this problem if you come across it. And if you are watching my video for the first time on this YouTube channel, you are welcome. And if you are a technical drawing student, I will advise that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And please help me to share my videos with your friends who are also technical drawing students. Tell them to come and learn from me here. And I want to advise you that as you are learning here, make sure you are practicing, because this is a practical subject and you need to practice it so that you can master it as I've mastered it. Now, this question that you see on the screen is a question that has to do with the use of the principles of tangency, which I've explained the 3 principles of tangency, and I've solved many problems on the use of the principles of tangency. And this is another question that you want to solve with the application of the principles of tangency. But let's see what we have here as instruction. Here we have that figure 1 shows 2 circles at a distance blending with an arc. Copy the given figure and indicate the point of tangency. Indicate the point of tangency. So let me explain what we have here with dimensions. So this circle, this is a circle, and this circle has a radius of 40 millimeters. Then this circle also, its radius is 30 millimeters. Then the center distance, the vertical center distance of these 2 circles is 100 millimeters, and the horizontal center distance of these 2 circles is 40 millimeters. The radius of this arc, is 30 millimeters. Now, looking at what we have here, as I've said that we are going to make use of the principle of tangency. We have 3 principles of tangency. Principle 1 is all about joining an arc with a straight line. Principle 2 is the joining of 2 arcs externally, and principle 3 is joining of 2 arcs internally. Now, looking at what we have here, these 2 circles, they are touching the external part of this arc. That's what I want you to know. Likewise, this arc is touching the external part of these 2 circles. So this circle is touching this arc on its external part. This circle is also touching this arc on its external part. So now we want to construct this as we are instructed here, that we should copy the given figure and we are to indicate the point of tangency on this construction. So the point of tangency is a point where this arc touch this circle, where this arc here, where it touch these circles at the point of tangency. So what we just need to do is to replicate what we see here. Now, the first thing that you need to do is that draw a horizontal center line like this. Draw a horizontal center line like this. Okay, then we fix the first vertical center line. Fix the first vertical center line. So this is it. Okay, so fix the first vertical center line, and then we take a measurement of 100 millimeters from this point. Let me call this point. Let me call it point A. So this is center A. Then we take a measurement of 100 millimeters from here to here. So this is 100. So then we draw another vertical center line here. So draw a vertical center line here like this. Okay, then from this point here, so from this point here, so we take a measurement of 40 millimeters up. 40 millimeters, this is 40 millimeters. So draw the horizontal center line here. Okay. So the radius of the big circle is 40 millimeters. So take a measurement of 40 millimeters. take a measurement of 40 millimeters on your ruler. So this is 40 millimeters. So but before that, I will need to extend this line. I need to extend this line a bit. Okay, now so with that 40 millimeters that I've taken, let me take it again. Okay, so put it as center A here, put as center A, and draw a circle like this. So draw a circle. All right, so then this is center B. This is center B. So the radius of this circle is 30 millimeters. So take a measurement of 30 millimeters for the small circle. So put it at this point here. Put it at this point and draw a circle like this. Okay, so that is the small circle. Now I want to draw this arc now. So we want to draw this arc that will connect these two circles together so that we can locate the center, the point of tangency, and locate the point of tangency. So we need to draw the arc. Now, as I said that this arc touch these two circles externally, or the circles touch the arc on its external part. So, and the radius of this arc is 40 millimeters. So we need to locate a point around here. We need to locate a point around here. So where we put our compass so that we can draw this arc that will connect these two circles together. So how do we do that? So look at what I'm going to do. You have to perform a simple calculation, and calculation goes like this. So what you need to do is that you look for radius R1. Radius R1. So R1, or let me call it RA. Let me call it RA. So RA is equal to, so RA will be equal to the radius of this big circle and the radius of the arc. That is R, that is what? That is 40. So let me, 40 plus 40. So which will give us 80 millimeters. Okay. Now RB will be the radius of the small circle and the arc given. So that is 30 plus 40. So which will give us 70 millimeters. So I believe this is clear to you. So I said RA is the radius of this big circle and this arc, while RB is the radius of this small circle and this arc. So, and here we have 40 plus 40 for RA, that gives us 80, and 30 plus 40 for RB, that gives us 70 millimeters. So what we are going to do now is that I will take a measurement of 80 millimeters on my ruler with my compass. Take 80 millimeters. So this is 80 millimeters for RA, 80 millimeters. Okay. So this is 80 millimeters. So put a center A here, put a center A, and you make an arc around here. Okay. Now for RB, take a measurement of 70 millimeters. 70 millimeters. 70 millimeters. So put it at the center here, at center B, and you make an arc here. Okay. So then the radius of this arc that join these two arcs together is 40 millimeters. So you take a measurement of 40 millimeters now. Take a measurement of 40 millimeters with your compass. 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters. Like this. Then you put at this center here, at the point of intersection of the arcs. So when you put it here, it will touch somewhere around here. Touch somewhere around here, and also touch somewhere around here. So all we need to do now, okay, is around this place. touch it here. So what you just need to do here now is to draw the arc like this. So draw it like this. So this is what we have. So the point of tangents that we're asked to indicate is this point here. So this point here, and then we have this point here. So we usually use capital letter T to indicate the point of tangent. So this is the point of tangency, and this is the point of tangency. So we have solved the problem. So this is the point of tangency, and this is the point of tangency. So we have solved the problem. So it's as simple as I've explained it here. Take note of the calculation that I did here. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.